Everybody, it's Ms. Salazar and welcome to our class. So for today, we're going to be talking about City of Colors. That's why you have the title, but it's in Spanish, Ciudades de Colores. So we're going to be reviewing geometric and organic shapes. So remember, geometric shapes are shapes that have pointy and clear lines. They don't have curves, they don't look wobbly. So here you have some examples of geometric shapes. For example, the square, the star, the rectangle, the triangle, the circle. These are geometric shapes. They have pointy and clear lines. They're not wobbly, they don't have curves to them. Now, organic shapes are completely different. Organic shapes are curvy and wobbly figures. They are shapes that you can find in nature. So here you have examples of organic shapes. So if you look at this picture has wobbly figures, right? They look wobbly, they have curves to them. They're not perfect. So those are organic shapes. And in this picture over here, you have what looks like a leaf. And this is another one that looks like a leaf. Here's another one over here, up here. So usually figures that you can find in nature are going to be organic shapes. They're kind of wobbly, they're curvy, they're not pointy, they don't have like very perfect lines like the ones you see in geometric shapes. Organic shapes are different. They're curvy and they're wobbly figures. Now, patterns. So, this is something new. So, a pattern is a shape that repeats itself. Here you have some examples. For example, the wall mural. So, the pointy shapes are repeated in different colors. It has geometric shapes. So, if you see this picture, you see the pictures that have pointy, straight lines, pointy, straight, clear lines, and it's repeated again and again. Here's the pointy line. Here's another one. Here's another one, and another one over here. So you see the pointy lines repeated again and again. So those are patterns. Patterns is basically a shape that is repeated again and again and again and again. In this case, you have these weird pointy lines that are repeated again and again, but they're in different colors. And here's another example, the pattern that you find in wood. So the tree has repeated circles. So you see these like wobbly circles, the lines, they're repeated again and again and again and again and again, all the way throughout the entire chunk of wood. And here's another example, the peacock feathers. So each feather has the same shape and color. It has organic shapes. So if you look at the feather, it kind of has like I'd say it's like a wobbly circle, and it's the same color. So this feather has the same color as this feather, as this feather. So all the feathers have the same shape, the same color, and it's one shape next to another shape, one shape next to another one. So like the shapes are repeated. It's the same shape that is repeated again and again and again. So again, these are examples of patterns. This is your assessment. So, this is the assessment that you can find in your textbook, page 18. Look at the number over here. And basically, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to color in the blocks to finish the mural. This is the mural. Here you have the blocks, and you're going to color in each block to finish this mural. Now, you can use geometric and organic shapes to do that. You can create your own pattern. You don't have to follow the pattern that's here. Or you could choose to follow the pattern that's already here in the mural. So again, you can color you can color inside of the blocks, and you can use geometric or organic shapes. Remember that geometric shapes have pointy and clear lines, and geometric shapes are like think of like a square, a rectangle. Those are geometric shapes. Organic shapes are wobbly and curvy. Organic shapes, think of like a blob. So you can do that. You can color inside of the lines, creating those different shapes. And again, the patterns, you can follow the pattern that's already here, or you can create your own, and that's going to be your assessment. So parents, send the assessment to LMS and PDF, and that's about it. Bye everybody.